When we get sick, it's important to get a diagnosis quickly so we can jump on the road to recovery. But sometimes getting this information can be difficult.
Hi, I'm Matt, and here at the New Venture Institute, we've helped to develop a disease detection field kit that's set to save lives.
This kit is designed to be used by medical staff in countries where people don't have easy access to healthcare. It consists of reusable microculture tubes for collecting samples and 3D printed microscopes which can be clipped on to a smartphone or tablet.
People can use this kit to identify a deadly disease called leishmaniasis.
Leishmaniasis is a nasty skin disease which affects millions of people in areas like Africa, Asia and South America.
In the past, testing for this disease was expensive and time-consuming because samples had to be sent to the lab for analysis. But our kit changes all that.
In-field doctors can use the tubes to capture a tissue sample from the patient. This sample can then be mixed with a solution in the tube's chamber called a reagent.
A reagent is a substance that causes a chemical reaction, so it's a great tool for getting a quick result.
If the mixture reacts in a certain way, then that shows the person has leishmaniasis and they can be treated immediately. But if it stays the same, then the person can be cleared of the disease. If the doctor wants further evidence, they can also slide the microscope onto their phone to collect and share images of the affected area. Over time, this library of images will also help with faster diagnosis.
It's a quick and easy process that dramatically reduces processing time. But coming up with our final design wasn't so easy.
Using a PolyJet 3D printer, we had to create and test dozens of designs and materials with our friends in the US and Africa to get the best result. This was important to ensure the tubes were strong, had a secure seal and could be easily cleaned and used again.
Now, the kit has been trialled in Ethiopia to see if any final adjustments need to be made.
And if all goes well, we'll soon be able to begin mass production, so hundreds of thousands of these kits can be shipped off to clinics and laboratories all over the world.
It's a medical kit set to revolutionise the way diseases are tested and treated out in the field.